we must also thank my own team, Raj Kishore, and we have very few number of people, but I think the effort they made in trying and getting this organized. See, what is digital literacy and why digital literacy? ये क्यों शुरू किया गया, इसका मतलब क्या है? See, digital literacy in this country, despite all the effort made, we still have a large population, which is 40% people drop out at the primary scale. Means class 1 to class 5, 40% बच्चे drop out हो जाते हैं. We have tried all the methods of adult literacy and other programs, but I think Kerala was the first state in the country which thought of long before, even in 2007, saying that let's forget about adult literacy and literacy, let's start with the e-literacy. And that was the state which said one person in every family to be made illiterate. And they started through the same format. They had Akshay Center, which came before even the Common Service Center scheme was launched. And those Akshay Centers were used for the largely purpose of enabling the system. And I remember the Akshay Centers survived only on literacy. The income generated by Akshay Centers for 4 years was enough. In fact, we have worked calculation at the time we designed the scheme in 2006. This was one of the great initiatives that if G2C is an evolutionary process and takes time, of course, in many states, the G2C is still to work out. If we do e-literacy, 4 years, the CSC or Common Service Centers can generate sufficient income to sustain itself. And that's why the program was to be just started. लेकिन काफ़ी टाइम लगा और भारत सरकार ने अब शुरू किया कि एक आदमी को, I think National E-Governance Policy announced saying that one person in every family in this country should be made illiterate. और उसी के साथ में उन्होंने पहला जो फेज था वो 10 लाख का था और अभी जो रिसेंटली एक फेज अप्रूव हुआ 40 लाख. So we had to cover 40 lakh people across the country in a period of 4 years. And उनको e-literacy करना है. E-literacy क्यों? Because e-literacy, now the mobile penetration is so high that people can know how to operate a mobile. Literacy say what will happen? See, he will be able to get information, and information will lead to knowledge, and knowledge will lead to skill, and skill will create employment. That is how the scheme of Common Service Center was meant for. See, the e-literacy will add information, knowledge, and skill, and empower community to get some meaningful livelihood. That is how the e-literacy is meant for. And it is not untrue. It may look like a small course where you teach, जिसमें आप उसको बताते हैं कि कंप्यूटर कैसे चलाना होता है, ईमेल कैसे खोलता है. But the plethora of knowledge in the computer and the internet is so high and so phenomenal that it will revolutionize and change life of those people living in rural India.